Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a pandemic loan and what are the steps to apply a pandemic loan through Navy Federal Credit Union. You can have a low score and you can still qualify for this loan. So please watch the video till the end in order to know every step that you need to take in order to get this loan. This is an important one, so please bear with me till the end of this video, because what I'm going to do right after this video, I'm going to upload another video for the $10,000 credit card you can get without any credit check. Means you don't need to have good, bad or excellent credit score, because they will not check your credit score at all and they will give you a $10,000 credit card without affecting your credit score. So bear with me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to watch that video as well, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload awesome videos like this one. So the question arises, what is pandemic loan? The pandemic loan is an emergency relief loan for the people who are affected by COVID-19. It doesn't matter what sort of effect you had, such as health-wise or financially, and of course in United States, any person can apply for this loan. But there are some things you need to remember. The first one, that this loan has a 6% rate, fixed rate for next 24 months. So it means if you are going to pay it in next 24 months, you are only going to pay 6% on it. And if you're going to pay it early, then of course the earlier you pay, the less the rate is. Now the next one, that it's a hard pull from TransUnion. Initially, when they started this loan, they were actually doing the hard pull on Equifax, but now they're doing it from TransUnion, and I've done my research and it's confirmed. The next one, that the loan ranges from $250 to $5,000 depending on your credit. You have to have a credit score for at least 530 and up in order to qualify for this pandemic loan. The next one, that they do need your employment and income information. So if you have pay stub or bank statement, you can always give it to them. Now, the next one is the direct deposit is needed in first 90 days. So there are a couple of things you need to remember. When it comes to a direct deposit, there's first 60 days you won't have to pay anything to them. So what it means that you still have 90 days to set up a direct deposit with them. The next one are these steps to apply for this pandemic loan. The first one is that you need to call Navy Federal, and don't apply online, because you can actually apply for a long loan because there are a lot of them. So remember to always call Navy Federal and apply through them. The other one is don't apply on the app. It is available on the app, but if you apply on the app, it can get glitchy and it can ruin your application. The next one, that you receive documents by email and you can sign it. So when you call them and when you apply for this loan, they'll send you the email and you need to sign those documents through e-signature. The next one is the loan will be deposited in your account within the next 2 hours. So what it means, if you get accepted, you will get the funds in the next 2 hours. The other one, that whenever they approve your application, you will get notified by text or email. Now, let's go towards some things to remember. The first one, that only apply if you need it. The reason is, again, it's a loan, it's not a grant. The other one, the better loans and credit lines are also available in the market. And as I already told you, I'm going to upload another video right after this video, which will tell you how you can get a $10,000 credit line and a $10,000 credit card with no credit check. So in order to know about it, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video and click on the bell icon so you will get notification whenever we will upload those videos. The next thing to remember, that if you get denied, then call Navy Federal and appeal. In 90% of the cases, they will accept your appeal because it's a pandemic loan, so they have no choice but to accept you, but there are some rare cases where they deny you. Your first payment will be after 60 days. So it means for first 2 months, you don't have to pay a single penny to them. The next one, and I love it the most, that they report to all 3 credit bureaus, which will help you to build your credit. And the last one is that you can build relationship with Navy Federal, and by building relationship with Navy Federal, as we all know, this is really important. If you have good relationship with them, they offer you more of their products and credit lines and credit cards and loans. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon, because I'm going to upload 2 amazing videos which will allow you to get $10,000 of credit card and $10,000 of credit line without affecting your credit score. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.